What are you doing up there? Please be careful with him up there. Okay. What did he do?
He just climbed over.
Get away from there.
Come here. You stay on the sidewalk. I can jump over this. I can jump over you.
Please don't jump over me. No!
Goodbye, camera.
No!